Good afternoon, my fabulous 35. So today I'm going to be doing a couple of bath bombs. So it's like a galaxy bomb, and there's some kind of prize inside of it. And I'm going to see exactly what that is. So this is the first time I've ever done a bath bomb video, so yeah. Here it goes. And, it smells weird. Let's see what comes out of here. It's so weird. Not sure what is in this thing. This other one says it has jewelry in it. So wait till it stops fizzing. So, yeah, I have a new series coming up in 2019, so there's that. And you'll have to wait till January 1st to find that out. I'm not going to spoil any of that just yet. I was working on the script for that before I filmed this video. I got that done, and so yeah, that happened, and I hung up. Yeah, you probably can't see it in this video because of the setup here, but I got a light box for my filming area for Chris that I could. So I put like the name of my channel on it and the name of the reading series, so you'll see that when I do those types of videos, possibly. Okay, it's starting to come out. I'm not sure what exactly this is. So I'm just gonna put it back in there. And we'll see what we get. This thing is turning my fingers black. So okay, it appears to be some sort of plane type thing. I'm not sure exactly what. I'm sure if somebody knows, please put it in the comments below so I'll know. And I'll have to yeah. I'll just use this towel that's over here, hanging over my window here. So, here comes the next one. Hopefully this does not fizzle over. Now this is the one that has the jewelry inside of it. I'm trying to get it open. And here that goes. And I'm gonna be doing probably a few other bath bomb videos as well, other than these. I'm doing these first because they have the prizes inside, and I thought it would be the most interesting to show. I'm trying to fill the minutes while the soup fizzes out. But look at the color of this water. That looks so, literally, so gross. It's bubbling. Okay, I decided to take a little bit of break from being on camera, so now this is what we have now. I guess like the jewelries, and looks like the jewelry that is inside of it is in some sort of a capsule, so that's the update on that. So it's probably like a ring or something, but I'll see when it finishes, or we will see. Kind of has a citrusy smell to it, which I'm not a very big fan of, so there's that. And my fingers are now stained blue. Okay, I think I can get it out now. Okay, I'm gonna dry this off with this towel over here, as well as my hands. And I'll slide that over here and let that finish. And this is what we have right here. So that's it. Anyways, if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And other things you can do are like me on Facebook, follow me on Pinterest and Twitter, and add me on Snapchat. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!